Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and others. So let's get started. So today is Saturday, so this will be a long video. Please watch the video carefully. In case you find it very difficult, watch the video twice. But one request is that if you are doing something right now, please do not watch the video right now. Watch the video when you are free, when your mind is free and you can concentrate. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of DXY US dollar and our beloved goal is this. As we all know, after the Fed's interest news and the GDP report, dollar had a huge uptrend, and as a result, we saw heavy selling on pairs like gold, euro, USD, GBP, USD, and it's a chart of dollar here. So let's talk about dollar, US dollar first, because understanding the movement, the body language of US dollar is very important, crucial if you really want to make money from gold. So the last traded price of DXY is 97.21. So if you look at the trend of dollar here, then undoubtedly extremely bullish market. But we can see that in this particular portion of the market here, dollar looks tired. Okay. And it is very obvious also because whenever we see this kind of bullishness in the market usually goes for this, goes for retracement, and that is very obvious here. Okay. So the first opportunity that may come to us is for a selling pressure on gold, because if you look at the chart of dollar here, then there is a possibility that after some retracement, dollar will be going up again. In my previous video, yesterday's video, I have shown that the road for dollar is clear. If dollar decides to go up, then it can easily go up till 97.75. Okay, so there is still room for dollar if it decides to go up. Okay, so understanding the chart of dollar is very important. I'll say that keep your eyes on dollar at 97.40 level. Okay, around 94.97.40 level, just draw a line. If if dollar breaks the line and starts going up, if you see a big green candle is breaking the dollar and the level of dollar and going up, then be ready to short gold, because usually we see whenever dollar goes up, gold goes down. So this will be a breakout and the next stoppage for US dollar will be 97.75. Okay, and if you look at the daily chart, okay, if you look at a daily chart of dollar here, then you can see that dollar is an uptrend as usual and we have beautiful swings here in the market. Okay, and right now market is just standing at the top. Okay, so listen to me very carefully. So right now market is standing for top, so there is also a possibility that okay, there will be some retracement correction on dollar, because this is a swing market. Okay. So dollar will be coming down a little around till 96.95.50, because dollar will be covering this swing so that it can go up again. So in the short term, for the coming week or the next 7 to 10 days, there may be a retracement, a correction on dollar as well. So we have two possibilities. First possibility is US dollar will break 97.40 level and start going up. Okay, and the second opportunity, second no, possibility is that dollar will be retracing a bit, gold, the dollar will be going for correction because this is a swing market on the daily chart. Okay, so both are the possibilities that we have right now. But if we consider the daily chart, then yes, there will be some retracement. There is also there is a good possibility that after reaching or hitting the 97.7 zero level, dollar will be coming down. But yes, retracement should be there for US dollar. Yeah. Now let's talk about the chart of gold here. Okay. So if dollar breaks the 97.40 level and starts flying again, then definitely gold will break the level of 1780. Okay, 1780 will be gone and you can easily take a sell position below 1780 level, because yesterday we saw that when there was heavy fall in the market, even 1790 could not. Yes, 1790 was a very important level for gold. Even 1790 failed to provide support to the market. It was 1780 that came for a rescue, and ultimately market tried to bounce from here. But considering this selling pressure in the market, we cannot rely on the 1780 level much. Okay, for scalping purpose, you can take a buy position. Okay, but for if you are looking for long-term position, then yes, taking a buy position simply relying on the 1780 level is very risky. Okay, so keep your eyes on dollar first. If it breaks the level of 97.40 and starts going up, then definitely you will be getting a fresh selling opportunity below 1780 level. Can take a sell position below 1780. Clear? And if we consider the daily chart of US dollar, and if we see that from Monday only, dollar is going for correction. Okay, dollar is completing the swings. Then there will be recovery on gold. There will be good recovery on gold, and just like the past, just like uh, if you consider the past few months of gold, then we generally see that gold usually bounces from 1790, 1780 level. So if dollar goes for correction retracement, then yes, it will be going for a correction or recovery, recovery, not correction, recovery. So you can take a buy position on gold. So these are the two safe trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. Okay, so first of all, okay, you must keep your one eye on the chart of US dollar. Okay, if you see that dollar is bullish again, okay, be ready to take a sell position on gold. And if you see um, dollar is going for retracement correction, then you'll get a good buy position. Okay, in fact, you can also hold the position for a couple of days also. And keep in mind that market is very volatile, so please follow proper risk management, and because risk management is the key. Okay, it is your hard-earned capital, it is your duty to protect it. And as I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. A gambler trades all the time. A trader only trades when the opportunity is right, when the time is right. So trade with care. That is my request. And that's it. Bye bye. See ya on Monday.